How to use a car insurance and properly, beginner mistakes that cost you. A car insurance is a trusted provider in New Zealand, but many drivers make mistakes that cost them money or leave them underprotected. The surprising truth is that just having a policy doesn't guarantee full coverage. You need to use it properly. A common mistake is choosing only third-party liability coverage. While it meets legal requirements, it won't cover damages to your own car after an accident. Adding comprehensive or collision coverage ensures your vehicle and finances are protected. Another frequent error is misunderstanding deductibles. A lower deductible reduces out-of-pocket costs but increases your premium, while a higher deductible saves money upfront but can be expensive if you need to make a claim. Choose a deductible that matches your budget and risk tolerance. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Life changes, such as adding a new driver, moving, or purchasing a new vehicle, can impact coverage. Ignoring these updates may result in gaps or denied claims. Many drivers also overlook discounts. A car insurance offers savings for safe driving, no claims history, bundling policies, and certain car safety features. Missing these discounts can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can create delays. Always document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize the benefits of a car insurance. Ensure proper coverage, choose the right deductible, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively, keeping you fully protected on every journey.